In Ireland, 1 in 9 women will develop breast cancer over the course of their lifetime, with nearly 700 women dying from the disease every year. Chemotherapy is currently the gold standard treatment for breast cancer, and it works incredibly well in early stage disease. Unfortunately, once the disease spreads beyond the breast to other areas of the body, such as the brain, liver, lungs, and bone, it becomes really hard to treat. And unfortunately, at this stage, chemotherapy is generally just used to manage the disease. Even more so, it's also really untargeted. And what I mean by untargeted is it affects the healthy organs and tissues too, leading to all those nasty side effects that are seen, such as hair loss, sickness, and even diarrhea. So my PhD is focused on a more targeted and tolerated treatment for breast cancer patients. So how are we going to do this? Well, all cells release vesicles, which are basically tiny little bubbles. And for years, we disregarded them. And we always thought it was the way that cells remove their own waste. Well, it turns out they're incredibly important. And they have a lot of information and messages inside them and carry them from one cell to another. And this is actually how cells talk to one another. So in our lab, we work with a cell that releases a really unique vesicle. And what makes it so unique is that when it's injected into the bloodstream, it can find cancer anywhere in the body. So what we have done is modified these vesicles to carry a cancer-suppressing message. And what's so exciting about this is that it can lock onto the cancer cell and the cancer cell only, killing the disease, but leaving the healthy cells completely unaffected. So in summary, we are working towards a cancer treatment of where the vesicles will be injected into the bloodstream. They will be able to find cancer wherever it is in the body and release their suppressing message directly into the cancer and the cancer only, killing the disease. By doing this, it not only targets the disease at multiple sites at the same time, which is currently almost impossible to do, but it also leaves the healthy tissues and organs completely unaffected. Therefore, it leads to a much better quality of life for the patient undergoing the treatment, but hopefully a much longer life as well. Thank you.